In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find the install date of applications on your Windows device. So whether it's Windows 11, Windows 10, or something else. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side, select installed apps at the top. And then you should see all of the apps listed over here on the right. You can search them up in the field at the top, but there should be a little date that should appear next to the application, and that'll tell you when it was installed. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.